Do you know many people are having trouble with printing in black only on their Canon PIXMA? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Setup. Open your computer and navigate to the Printer Driver Setup window. Step 2. Select Options. Click on the Page Setup tab and choose Print Options. Step 3. Choose Black. In the Print With section, select Black only from the ink options. Step 4. Confirm selection. Confirm this selection by clicking OK to close the dialog boxes. Step 5. Set media type. Ensure the media type is set to plain paper or envelope for compatibility. Now you should be able to prioritize using the black cartridge on your printer easily. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.